Finally, I'm here. Knock, knock. Hi, that's my cousin. She's back. Or you like a little, yeah, but I want to see my cousin. Are you here, Virgo? Yeah, she's back. Hi, I was looking for you. Where were you? Getting ready. Oh, what is that, baby? Hi, little baby. She's sleeping. She's sleeping. Shh. But do you want a drink? Yeah, of course. You can leave your stuff here. Okay. Nice house. I know. You want chips? Yeah, of course. I like chips. I know. Well, here. Oh, how was the vacation? It was so good. Oh, let me throw this. Don't forget to throw it. ¿Qué importa? Whatever. Dentro de la casa. Hey!
Bueno, se me portan bien ambos.
Okay. I hope it's empty. Don't see, guys.